Question number 2. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 plus root of x upon root of 16 plus root of x minus 4. What can you say about its left limit when x tends to 0? First I am finding x tends to 0 plus, that is what? Right hand limit. X tends to 0 plus, limit x tends to 0 plus. So directly I can write let x tends to 0 plus h. Let x tends to 0 plus h. So when x tends to 0 plus, I can say h tends to 0 plus. So I can change the limit. That is what? Limit h tends to 0 plus. At the place of x I am writing what? 0 plus h upon 16 plus root of 0 plus h minus 4. Is it clear? Limit h tends to 0 plus root of h. Limit h tends to 0 plus root of h. 0 plus h. So I can write root h upon root 16 plus root h minus 4. Is it clear? Now you can see here it is what? 16. If I directly put what? 0. So here it will be what? Root 16 plus 0, that is root 16. Root 16 is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. That is also what? 0 by 0. So it is indeterminate form. So I am rationalizing this. So here it is what? Root 16 plus root h minus 4. So I will multiply this root 16 plus root h. Here it is minus, so plus 4 upon root 16 plus root h plus 4. Is it clear? Now you can see limit h tends to 0 plus, same I will write limit h tends to 0 plus. Here you will get what? Root h into 16 plus root h, root of 16 plus root of h plus 4 upon a minus b into a plus b. So I can say a square minus b square. So I will get here what? 16 plus root h minus 4 square, that is what? 16. So root 16 plus root h whole square, that is what? 16 plus root h minus 4 square, that is what? 16. 16 minus 16 gone. Is it clear? Now down is what only? Plus root h. So root h what? Gone. Now limit h tends to 0. Now you can substitute the value of h, that is 0. So we will get what? 16 plus root of 0 plus 4. 16 plus root of 0, that is root 16, that is 4 plus 4. Answer is what? 8. Answer is what? 8. So evaluation we have done. X tends to 0 plus, this function value is 8. Now they are asking find x tends to, what can you say about its left limit when x tends to 0? So I have to find left hand limit. So I can write here left hand limit, that is what? X tends to 0 minus, that is what? Left hand limit. So you can say let x tends to 0 minus h. When x tends to 0 minus, then h tends to what? 0 minus. Is it clear? When x tends to 0 minus, h tends to 0 minus. So I can substitute the value limit h tends to 0 minus. Now I am changing the limit, that is x tends to 0 minus. Now I am writing h tends to 0 minus. At the place of x I am writing 0 minus h upon root of 16 plus root of 0 minus h minus 4. Is it clear? Now you can see here limit h tends to 0 minus. Limit h tends to 0 minus. You are getting here what? Minus h upon root of 16 plus root of minus h minus 4. Now you can see here you are getting what? Root of minus h. This is what? Imaginary number. But we want only real numbers. So it is not possible. You can't evaluate left hand limit. You can't evaluate left hand limit. That's why I can say that limit when x tends to 0, this function is not defined, or you can say that left limit is not means we can't evaluate left hand limit because here it is imaginary number. For limit, if limit exists means left hand limit should be equal to what? Right hand limit, and separately we have to evaluate and both should be equal, then only we can say that limit exists. But here you can see it's an imaginary number, and when we did right hand limit, that was what? 8. So it is not possible. So we can say it is not possible. We can't evaluate this limit. Thank you.